So we're going to play a word game. First, I will show you how this game is played. I'm going to say 3 words slowly. Then I will figure out which word has a different sound at the beginning. Pan, pig, kite. I'll say the words one more time, see if I can tell which word has a different sound at the beginning. Pan, pig, kite. The words pan and pig sound the same at the beginning, but kite has a different beginning. Let me do one more for you. Coat, bus, ball. Did you notice that coat has a different sound at the beginning than bus and ball? Now let's have you try. Run, rope, call. Which word has a different sound at the beginning? Good job. Alright, so we're going to go on to these. A couple of these. You're going to tell me which one's different in the beginning. Soap, 6, dog. Good job. Car, man, mop. Duck, dog, 5. Pig, pack, fan. Good job. Fish, fan, leaf. Nest, nut, wheel. Cat, cake, 9. Sun, tree, tie. Clock, bee, bat. Sock, feet, fish.